I said I would take this apart for someone, show them the inside and show them how it's done. So take off these 2 back screws here. Take off the 2 little screws here. They're smaller, take note of that. And then, I'm not 100% sure if you need to, but just to be safe, we'll take the SSD out as well. I don't think you need to, but it doesn't hurt to be safe. Just grab that and there we go. Just so I thought I'd mention, the bottom of here is metal. If you wanted to, you could possibly put a bit of thermal paste under it, because this is plastic, so it doesn't carry any heat. And then suction cup right as close to the edge as you can, and then you just want to pull a little bit, and you can see that it's already starting to come. We will just put a little tool in there. I'm using a CPU paste spludger. Nice and quick, nice and easy. I say nice and easy, but just be gentle. There's no cables around the edge, it's just clips. So you want to just ease them out nice and gently. Oops. I'm making this look a bit more difficult than it should be because I'm rushing and oh, there we go. Oops. If you can, use a bank card. That's what I did the first time, but for this video, obviously I don't want to use a bank card. This spludger's not the best. But once you get it going, just keep going around nicely. Use the back stand to help you get a nice balance. I'm not pulling on this sucker cup very hard at all. There we go, you heard that little clip. There we go. And you just go around. You'll hear it clip. And where it's just a little bit tight, just give it a little bit with both hands. Oops. Like a twat, I turned it on. So just give me a minute. No SSD in it, so it goes straight to BIOS. Let's just turn it off a second. Oops, let's bring this around here. There's no glue. That's the main thing to remember. There's no glue, no heating up necessary. Just a little bit of patience and run it around the edge. You can't really break anything because unless you're a massive twat, you shouldn't be pulling that hard. I mean, obviously you want to take your time. This bit is the bit that takes the most time, of course. There we go. You just forcing it up a little bit. And there we go, we're pretty much done now. Okay. The bottom clips aren't in too hard. There we go. If you feel any resistance whatsoever, don't be at all. There we go. Right. And then as we look inside, we have the heatsink. Let me just lay it flat. Give me a second, sorry. Editing, amazing skills here. There we go. Got a nice view of what's going on. Not sure what that is. Oops, sorry. Not sure what that card is because there's nothing here. Obviously don't pull on the ribbon cables too hard, but you can see that. Let's just turn this to zoom. There we go. Easy battery. You can see that the battery is just 1, 2, maybe some down here, maybe not. And then I bet you any money there's a screw underneath that piece of foam, and the other one is, let's see if I can get to it. Awkward angle, let's turn the camera around. There we go. And then the other one's just underneath that foam. Ribbon cable seems like pretty easy to take up. Everything seems pretty easy. There you go. Nice image for it. And putting it back together is just literally, if you see around the edge, there's these little clips. They just clip back in. You know, no glue. You just clip into their things. So if you've got like a screen that's coming apart or something, don't think that it needs re-gluing. Just do exactly what I did, and then when you put it back together, start from the top, work your way down, and it reseats it all nicely. And there's actually quite a big gap between the heatsink and the screen, plus there's foam on the back. So if you've got like a heatsink that isn't straight or something, maybe just fuck about with some of that foam. Okay, bye.